Struggling to make more money even though you're working hard? Tired of watching others grow while you stay stuck in the same spot? Don't worry, you're just missing the right tools. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your earning potential with simple, powerful steps. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and drop a comment below telling me where you are in your journey. I'd love to hear from you. Point 1. In today's fast-moving world, mastering in-demand skills is one of the most direct ways to improve your earning potential. It's not about having a long list of talents, it's about focusing on the right ones. The job market rewards those who stay updated with what's needed, especially in industries like tech, marketing, design, finance, and even trades like plumbing or electrical work. These aren't just buzzwords. They're doorways to real opportunities. Take someone like Ben Francis, the founder of Gymshark. He wasn't a business expert at first. He started out delivering pizzas, but he learned basic coding and e-commerce skills on his own, built a simple website, and used his knowledge of fitness and branding to turn a garage business into a multi-million-dollar company. That happened because he focused on mastering just a few key skills and kept improving them. Or think about Sarah Davies, the youngest ever female investor on Dragon's Den. She built her craft supply company from her university bedroom by understanding product demand, learning how to market it properly, and never stopping her learning journey. Today, she's a household name in British business, not because of luck, but because she worked on the right skills at the right time. The truth is, success leaves clues, and those clues are often tied to practical, useful skills that solve problems for people or businesses. Whether it's learning how to analyze data, edit videos, manage social media, or start your own online store, every skill you sharpen adds value to your personal brand. So don't just work harder, work smarter. Learn what the market wants, master it, and watch how your income starts to shift. This could be the edge you've been looking for. And remember, your future income is hiding in the skill you haven't learned yet. Point 2. Once you've started building in-demand skills, the next step is learning how to communicate them effectively. Having the skills is one thing, but being able to express your ideas clearly, confidently, and persuasively is what sets top earners apart. Communication is your bridge between what you know and the opportunities waiting out there. Whether you are pitching a product, leading a team, or negotiating your salary, your ability to express yourself can directly influence how much you earn. A great example of this is Stephen Bartlett, the entrepreneur and investor on Dragon's Den. He didn't come from money or privilege. He dropped out of university and started a marketing agency from his bedroom. What made him stand out? His ability to communicate, online and in person. He knew how to tell stories, share his journey, and connect with audiences. That skill helped turn his business into one of the fastest-growing companies in the UK. Another strong example is Deborah Meaden. Before she became a well-known investor, she ran a holiday park business. Her success didn't just come from smart management. It came from knowing how to communicate her vision to staff, customers, and later investors. That ability turned her ideas into profits, and it helped her climb to the top in a competitive industry. You see, communication isn't just for public speakers or influencers. It's for anyone who wants to grow. If you can clearly present your value, your confidence grows, and so does your income. You don't need to be loud, you need to be clear. So remember this, while your skills build the foundation, your communication builds the ladder. And the better you get at climbing it, the closer you get to the life you're aiming for. Point 3. Once you've developed valuable skills and know how to communicate them, the next smart move is to build a personal brand online. In today's world, people don't just hire talent, they hire visibility and trust. If no one knows what you're good at, they can't pay you for it. Your online presence acts like a digital storefront, even if you're not running a business. It's proof of your work, your growth, and your mindset. Let's take a look at Grace Beverly. She started as a university student sharing fitness content on social media. But instead of just posting workouts, she built a strong, consistent personal brand around productivity, wellness, and business. That online presence helped her launch 2 successful companies, Tala and Shreddy, which now generate millions. She didn't wait for people to discover her. She showed them who she was. Another great example is James Smith, a personal trainer who turned blunt fitness advice into a full-blown brand. By consistently sharing real, no-nonsense content on social media, he built a massive following, published best-selling books, and created an online coaching business. What made it work? His voice was authentic, and he wasn't afraid to stand out. Building a personal brand doesn't mean being famous. It means being searchable, being trusted, and being remembered. Whether you're on LinkedIn sharing insights about your industry or using Instagram to show behind the scenes of your work, your online brand adds layers to your value. It tells people you're serious, consistent, and worth paying attention to. So don't just be skilled, be seen. The internet gives everyone a stage, but only those who show up get the spotlight. Start where you are, post what you know, and let your personal brand open doors that your CV never could. Point 4. Once your personal brand is out there, it's crucial to keep growing behind the scenes, because what truly separates the average from the exceptional is this: the best never stop learning. The world doesn't stand still, and neither should you. If you want to increase your earning potential, you have to keep upgrading yourself. Mentally, technically, and creatively. Learning is no longer limited to classrooms. It's everywhere now. Podcasts, online courses, books, mentorships. You just need the will. Take James Sinclair, a British entrepreneur who started out as a kids' entertainer. Instead of staying comfortable with what he knew, he kept learning about business, marketing, and leadership. Today, he runs multiple companies and shares his business knowledge online to help others do the same. His journey proves that your background doesn't matter. Your mindset does. Or look at Sharmadean Reed, founder of Beauty Stack and the Stack World. She didn't just stop after launching one successful brand. She constantly studied trends, consumer behavior, and tech developments to stay ahead in the beauty and tech space. That hunger to learn allowed her to scale up, secure funding, and grow her influence far beyond her industry. These stories show that learning isn't a one-time thing. It's a lifelong tool for staying relevant. The more you know, the more valuable you become. And value is what people pay for. Make learning a daily habit, even if it's just 20 minutes a day. Read a page, watch a tutorial, take notes, stay curious. Because the truth is, your next breakthrough might not come from working harder, but from learning something new. So feed your mind like your future depends on it. Because it absolutely does. Point 5. Now, as you're learning and growing, there's one more resource you need to treat just as seriously as money: your time. Time management isn't just about being organized, it's about being intentional. Every successful person understands that time is their most valuable currency. You can earn more money, but you can't earn more hours. So how you use your time decides how far you go. Let's take the example of Grace Beverly, founder of Tala and Shreddy. She built her businesses while studying at Oxford. How? She mastered the art of time blocking, planning her days down to the hour, making time for fitness, studies, and building 2 successful brands. It wasn't magic, it was focus. She didn't let distractions steal her future. Or look at Mo Gaudat, former chief business officer at Google X. He's known for his productivity techniques that helped him lead innovation teams while also writing best-selling books. He managed his time around priorities, not just tasks. That mindset allowed him to make an impact across industries while still finding space for personal growth and reflection. The key is not just to be busy, it's to be effective. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals. Track where your hours are going. Cut out time wasters. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or digital planners. You'll be surprised how much you can achieve when every minute has a purpose. Remember, your time either works for you or against you, and if you're not in control of your time, someone else will be. Make each day count, because your success is built 1 hour at a time. Treat time like gold, and it will pay you back in ways money never could. Point 6. As you manage your time, grow your skills, and build your brand, it's important to remember that one stream of income isn't always enough. To truly elevate your earning potential, you need to think beyond just one job or one business venture. Multiple income streams are the key to financial stability and freedom. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter by diversifying. Look at Emma Grade, co-founder of Good American and a business partner with Khloe Kardashian. Emma didn't just stop at her first business, she also built wealth by investing in other ventures, including being an investor on the TV show Shark Tank. By creating multiple streams across fashion, investment, and media, she made sure her financial growth wasn't tied to one source. Another example is Richard Branson. Through Virgin, he created an empire that spans multiple industries, from airlines to music, health, and even space tourism. While many people are content with just one successful business, Richard understood the importance of diversifying his income streams. He didn't limit his potential to just one project, he looked for opportunities to grow in multiple sectors, and each new venture strengthened his overall financial position. You don't need to be a millionaire to start this approach. Maybe you start with freelancing alongside your regular job, or you build an online course while running your business. The idea is to spread your sources of income so that if one slows down, others keep you moving forward. As you reach for your goals, remember this: financial freedom doesn't come from relying on just one paycheck. It comes from creating multiple streams that work for you. So, get creative. The more you diversify, the more freedom you'll have to live life on your terms. What steps are you taking to increase your income? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas.